Yes, welcome back to mathematics online classes. Dear students, last class already we started the second topic of the applications of derivative. Yes, the second topic is the tangent and normal. Tangent and normal. The slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. So already we discussed what do you mean by tangent and what is the meaning of normal. Look at here, I repeat again. What do you mean by tangent? The slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent is slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is always is nothing but a dy by dx at the point of x1 y1. Clear that? As the slope of the tangent is dy by dx again antiri, slope of the tangent antiri karitiri, and slope of the normal. So slope of the normal is minus 1 divided by dy by dx at the point of x1 y1. Gottirli. So first slope of the tangent is dy by dx and slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. Okay. Studied there. Today onwards we start some problems on tangent and normal. So ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ tangent and normalದು. Okay, look at here. Is there some 5 problems is there? 5 problem illadavu one by one discuss ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So first one, find the slope of the tangent and normal. Find the slope of the tangent and normal. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. The first problem y equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 6 at the point of 1 comma 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ. So this is the equation on the equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. The equation of the curve, it's given by the equation of the curve, then the points become the point is 1 comma 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 y1 ಅಂದಂಗ ಹೌದಾ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Find the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. Look at here, what do you mean by slope of the tangent? So dy by dx is the slope of the tangent and 1 minus 1 by dy by dx is the slope of the normal. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, dy by dx ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು, y equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 6. So differentiate with respect to x. Simple irta. So dy by dx equal to, so d by dx of 3x square the 6x minus, so d by dx of 5x is the 5 plus d by dx of 6 becomes 0. d by dx of, as the y equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 6, as dy by dx is 6x minus 5. Okay, so this is the only for dy by dx ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? at the point of 1 comma 4 ಬೇಕು. so this is the value of x and y ಅಂದಂಗ ಹೌದಾ. so x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ? 1 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರ. so dy by dx is 1 comma 4 is always equal to 6 into 1 minus 5. so x is become 1 and y become 4. y ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಿನಗೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. so x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So this is the dy by dx. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ therefore slope of tangent equal to dy by dx at the point of x comma y is always equal to 1. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು dy by dx. the slope of the tangent ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 1 ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ slope of normal. What do you mean by slope of normal? minus 1 by dy by dx. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ minus 1 by dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. minus 1 is the slope of the normal. Clear? So I repeat again. The first problem is the important problem. Simple ಐತಿ. If y equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is the one equation of the curve, then the points are 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the point of xy ಅಂದಂಗ. therefore equal to differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx equal to 6x minus 5 ಬರುತ್ತಾ. so this is only for dy by dx. then the points are 1 comma 4. so x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. only the equation is having only the value of x ಅಷ್ಟೇ. substitute the x equal to 1 in dy by dx. so dy by dx at 1 comma 4 is 1. so dy by dx is the equation of the tangent. so therefore this is the value of 1 and minus 1 by dy by dx is the equation of the normal. so 1 by minus 1 is, it's a minus 1. so is the first problem. simple problem. Note. Next, second problem. Second problem. Y equal to, second one, y equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x at the point x equal to 4. Direct ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ x equal to 4. y value ನಿನಗೆ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ x equal to 4. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ y equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x. Find the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. Differentiate with respect to x as the dy by dx equal to, so dy by dx of 3x raised to 4 andra 12x cube, because of 3 is constant outside of the derivative, then dy by dx of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. 4 into 3 is 12x cube minus dy by dx of 4x become 4. So this is the only for dy by dx. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ is the point of x equal to 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ x equal to 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 12 into 4 cube minus 4. So 12 into 4 cube, what is the value of 4 cube? 64. 4 cube is 64. 64 into 12. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಾ? 64 into 12. The value of 64 into 12. 640 plus 128. So 640 plus 128. 867. 768. The value of 12 into 4 cube is 768 minus 4. This is 764. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ dy by dx at the point of x equal to 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 764. Therefore, the first one, slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is dy by dx at the point of x equal to 4. ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 764. So next, slope of the normal. Slope of the normal, so is minus 1 by dy by dx. ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 764. So this is the slope of the normal. So I repeat again as the problem. If y equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x, find the slope of the tangent and the slope of the normal. If the point x equal to 4, point x equal to 4 kotara, differentiate with respect to x as the dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx of 3x raised to 4 is 12x cube. dy by dx of 4x become 4. So at the point of x equal to 4. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 12 into 4 cube minus 4. 12 into 4 cube is 768 minus 4 is 764. Therefore, the slope of the tangent is 764 and the slope of the normal is minus 1 by 764. Clear? Yes. Yes. The next problem, third one is the important. Third problem. So x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. Then at theta equal to pi by 4. So x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta is the parametric. ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Find this having x and y are the separate functions. ಹೌದಾ? ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು. ದೆನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? So dy by dx is the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ dy by dx ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. dy by dx ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? dx by d theta and dy by d theta ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, so differentiate with respect to theta. In first equation differentiate with respect to theta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ dx by d theta equal to a into d by d theta of cos cube theta is 3 cos square theta into d by d theta of cos theta andra minus sin theta. Therefore minus 3a cos cube theta, sorry, cos square theta into sin theta is the differentiate. So I repeat again, as x equal to a cos cube theta is the parametric form. This is the parametric. Differentiate separately of the functions. Differentiate with respect to theta of dx by d theta equal to a is constant outside of the derivative, d by d theta of cos cube theta andre it is x raised to n form ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. So 3 cos square theta into again cos theta can be differentiate minus sin theta. Therefore minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. So again ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, a sin cube theta ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Differentiate with respect to theta. So dy by d theta equal to a into d by d theta of sin cube theta andra 3 sin square theta into again d by d theta of sin theta become cos theta. therefore finally as the dy by dx equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ dy by dx dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta is the parametric form, therefore equal to dy by d theta, it means 3a into sin square theta into cos theta divided by then what do you mean by dx by d theta minus 3a into cos square theta into sin theta. Yes, so minus 3 as the 3a get cancel ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು cancel ಆಗ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ 1 sin theta get cancel, 1 cos theta get cancel. So remaining only sin theta divided by minus cos theta is minus tan theta. So this is only for dy by dx is the only dy by dx is minus tan theta. Next, as the dy by dx is minus tan theta, this is only for dy by dx, not a slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. But what do you mean by slope of the tangent is dy by dx if x become as the theta become pi by 4. Agar ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಿನಗ dy by dx equal to minus tan theta. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ if theta equal to pi by 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. So theta equal to pi by 4 value ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So theta equal to pi by 4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರ so minus tan pi by 4. What is the value of minus tan pi by 4 equal to minus 1. So this is the value of dy by dx if theta equal to pi by 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ therefore the slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 1. Slope of normal so is a minus 1 by dy by dx. So slope of the tangent is dy by dx and slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. And rest value minus 1 divided by minus 1 is the plus 1. Clear? Yes, is the third problem is the important problem because of is the parametric form. So in ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. First of all you find dy by dx, then substitute the value of theta equal to pi by 4. Finally you get the value of dy by dx equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the slope of the tangent and plus 1 is the slope of the normal. Yes. Next, fourth problem. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ next fourth one ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು it is the implicit 2y equal to 3 minus x cube is the implicit function. differentiation ದಾಗ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ fourth problem ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಪ್ಪ 2y equal to 3 minus x cube at x equal to 1 ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ dy by dx ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು is the implicit function. ಈ implicit function ದಾಗ first you find dy by dx. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ dy by dx ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. implicit function ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿನಿ a function includes both x and y variable, that is called as the implicit function. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, differentiate with respect to x. So 2 into d by dx of y andra dy by dx equal to d by dx of 3 becomes 0 minus d by dx of x cube is 3x square. Therefore hagadra dy by dx equal to minus 3x square divided by 2. So this is only dy by dx. hagadra x equal to 1 haku, the point of x and y x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ dy by dx at x equal to 1 is minus 3 into 1 square divided by 2 is the value is minus 3 by 2. Therefore the slope of tangent equal to dy by dx is minus 3 by 2. This is slope of tangent. agar slope of normal ಏನಪ್ಪ slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. So andra minus 1 divided by agar dy by dx ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ minus 3 by 2. Therefore equal to 2 by 3. minus get cancel. So 1 divided by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So I repeat again as the fourth problem. It is first of all it is an implicit function. Is an implicit function 2y equal to 3 minus x cube at x equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x of the implicit function. Find dy by dx as a 2 into dy by dx equal to 3 is constant is the 0 minus d by dx of x cube is 3x square. Therefore dy by dx is as the 2 is transferred to RHS side minus 3x square divided by 2. This is only for dy by dx. Then the value of at the point of x1 y1 is 1 comma 1 is 1 comma 0 irutta ಅಥವಾ 1 comma 1 irutta. If x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 3 by 2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the slope of the tangent is minus 3 by 2. Then the slope of the normal ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 divided by minus of 3 by 2. So minus minus get cancel. The denominator of 3 by 2 comes to numerator is 2 by 3. This is the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal of problem number 4. Next, fifth problem. Fifth one. If y equal to x minus 3 whole square at the point of x equal to 7 by 2. Same problem, simple irta madಬೇಕು. So y equal to x minus 3 whole square at the point of x equal to 7 by 2. Find the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. First of all, differentiate with respect to x as can be differentiate as dy by dx equal to d. How you differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದು x raised to n form. d by dx of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ d by dx of x minus 3 whole cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into x minus 3. 2 into x minus 3 again differentiate of x minus 3 again differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus 0 become 1 only. Therefore 2x minus 6. So this is dy by dx as the 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 3 is 6. See is the dy by dx is 2x minus 7. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x equal to 7 by 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಪ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ dy by dx is so 2 into 7 by 2 minus 6. 2 get cancel. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So dy by dx is 1. Therefore dy by dx 1 adra. Therefore the slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx equal to 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ slope of normal ಎಷ್ಟು slope of normal so minus 1 by dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 1 become minus 1. So these are the problems on the slope of the tangent and the slope of the normal. Clear? Yes. Yes, so next take some examples of the homework. For the homework examples ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ problems ಇವನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Sixth problem. So already you got the 5 problems. So next sixth one. Same, find the slope of the tangent and the slope of the normal. Slope of the tangent and slope of the normal of the equation y equal to 3x raised to 5 plus 9x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 7x plus 4 at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, find the slope of the tangent and the slope of the normal. The equation is 3x raised to 5 plus 9x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 7x plus 4. Next one, if y equal to sine square theta, if x equal to sine square theta and y equal to cos square theta, if at theta equal to pi by 4, then find the value of slope of tangent and slope of normal. So next eighth one, if the function x square plus y square equal to 2, if x square plus y square equal to 2 at x equal to 2, find slope of tangent and slope of the normal. The function is x square plus y square equal to 2 at x equal to 2. Next, if x equal to a into bracket of theta plus sine theta and y equal to a into bracket of 1 plus cos theta at theta equal to pi by 2. Find the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. The next problem, last problem, if parametric ಆಯಿತು, implicit ಆಯಿತು, remaining another implicit taken as another implicit 3x cube plus 2x square y square plus 3y cube equal to 0 at the point of 1 comma 1. Find the slope of the tangent and the slope of the normal. So these are the homework problems. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವನ್ನ 5 problems. Yes? Okay. Yes, the next one, the slope of the tangent and normal. Already you got the points of slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. What do you mean by slope of the tangent? It's dy by dx is the slope of the tangent and minus 1 by dy by dx is the slope of the normal. The second part of the tangent and normal, write down equation. So equation of tangent and normal. So equation of tangent and normal. ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, dy by dx. ಆದರೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್? So y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx of at the point of x1 y1 into x minus x1. So I repeat again, the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. So equation of the tangent andre ಏನು? The y minus y1 is equal to, already ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ ನೀವು, if the line is passing through the point, slope point form. So m is equal to y minus y1 equal to divided by x minus x1. First view daga it's straight line olaga. So same as, so this is m, divided by x is the tangent is a m ante karitiri. M is a tangent, tan theta. So y minus y1 equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. This is the slope of the tangent. Hagadre second one, sorry, equation of the tangent. Hagadre equation of the normal enagutta? So equation of the normal. So equation of the normal is same, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the point of x1 y1 into x minus x1. Yes, there are two forms is there in the second part of the tangent and normals. First part slope of the tangent and the slope of the normal. Second one, equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 into is equal to dy by dx of x minus x1, and the equation of the normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. So take one example of the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. Write down. If so y equal to x square plus 9x plus 3, x square plus 9x plus 3 at 1 comma 4, at the point of 1 comma 4, then find equation of tangent, TZT, equation of tangent and equation of normal. Equation of normal. If y equal to x square plus 9x plus 3 at the point of 1 comma 4, find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. So solution. First of all, what is the equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, dy by dx ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. What is the equation of the curve? So y equal to x square plus 9x plus 3. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to differentiate of x square plus 9x plus 3 can be differentiate. D by dx of x square is 2x plus d by dx of 9x become 9. Therefore it is only for dy by dx ಏನು ಬಂತು? 2x plus 9 ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the point? 1 comma 4. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು? x1 y1 ಅಂದಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x equal to x ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, 1 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 into 1 plus 9 is equal to 11. Therefore the point of dy by dx 1 comma 4 become 11. So next first one equation of tangent. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನಿನಗೆ y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point of x1 y1 x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ y minus this is the point of x1 y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು y minus 4 equal to then what is the value of dy by dx is the 11 into x minus 1 x minus x1 become 1. Clear? So y minus 4 equal to 11 into bracket of x minus 1. So y minus 4 equal to 11 into x is 11x minus 11. So therefore the whole term can be written as 11x minus 11 ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus y plus 4 equal to 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 11x minus y minus 11 plus 4 is minus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. The equation of the tangent is 11x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. 11x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. So it's the first one. So next second one, equation of the normal. So second equation of normal. Equation of normal. So you know equation of the normal ಏನಪ್ಪಾ same y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. So y minus y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ y minus what is the value of y1 4 equal to minus 1 divided by 11. So dy by dx become 11. So into x minus 1. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. So 11 into y is 11y minus 11 into 4 is 44 equal to minus 1 into x is minus x minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು minus x plus 1. Clear? So this whole term is transferred to LHS. This is x minus 1 plus 11y minus 44 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 11y minus 45 equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal. The equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. The equation of the tangent andre no y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx of x minus x1, and equation of the normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. So these are the this is first problem, only for first problem of the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. We continue next classes, some more problems we discuss as the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Thank you. We continue next class.